let's take a look the Polkadot targets updates with my custom sets for next week. So where we can try to open long. So guys, my target absolutely still the same. So let's break it down once again, this FIB. Like you remember, we got a like impulse on EDF launch, like usual, guys. The all news price it in, and we bounced it pretty good. And this is my zone for the futures trade. It's $1.33, $1.29. I'm just waiting. Just recently, I post in Telegram channel. So say Sui, H-bar, and Cardano reached our signals, what we added in lifetime in last videos for that trading pairs, with the different indicators. Some triggered the market mood indicator, some money inflow, some buy lines, even on a daily time frame triggered. So I recommend you just go and check that videos to understand what the signal mean. And of course, you could add the same alerts by yourself. So this is zone for futures trade. I don't like, of course, this price action because like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row, almost 1 week, we just going down. So all impulse is absorbed, but it's really important because if you watched my tutorial about law of effort, this is one of a trading system. How many days do we need for the impulse? So it's like a power of the buyers or the sellers. And when we got like one big impulse or 2 days impulse, and after that we need like 6 days for sellers to bring the price back, it's tell us so now more buyers dominate on the market. Yes, it sounds weird when price go down, right? But we got like impulse, so a lot of orders to buy in 1 day, and after that take a look how many days do we need to close at least the 50% of that impulse. So the buyers once again all the time to buy back, so and hold the line the price. But I wish to see, so I don't like this consolidation. I wish to see the last dump in this area. I would like to try to open a futures position. Of course, better if it could be the $1.29, a stop loss on the year. So it's like 12% stop loss with a second leverage. So for me, it's going to be the more than okay target and the zone for futures with the targets $1.84, $1.89, $2.07. You talk about a uptrend move, we need to break this high. Break of structure around $2.40. So based on indicators, guys, now for DOT, it's on a daily and a 12 time frame, 4 time frame, weekly time frame. I already showed you, so I recommend you just go and check the recent videos. No money inflow, guys. So this is one more reason why I don't like that pumps, because we pump it without any volume, any money inflow from the institutional. Of course, the institutional accumulated here on the weekly time frame. Yes, they accumulated also in February. In March, it's just a pure speculative purchases. That's why I wish to see the drop to this block, some money inflow like it was here with the volume and reversal move. All right, money power we can close. Next one is trading sessions, guys. I would like to double check on the DOT, the opens. For me, the opens is really important. Why it's open to it twice. All right, so we can close the sessions and scroll it down to the yearly open, monthly open. Yearly open, guys, for the Polkadot is $1.79. So sooner or later, anyway, the price all the time return back to the yearly open for the test and rejection or for the test and continuation of the uptrend. That's why, for me, of course, if you feel okay to accumulate it 61 level, if you want $1.42, you can do this one. But I better all the time reduce the risk and wait the next zone. If we not drop to that zone, I just keep the token. Based on the trade on indicator, daily time frame, no signals to sell, no signal to buy, the same sell here. Let's add alerts to take profit from the sell on 12 time frame. So for me, it will be the signal like confirmation reversal move. So here, last time, sell, drop, take profit. After the take profit from the sell, for example, here going to be the take profit, we need to wait some formation. And here was like 4 signals to buy in a row. And after that, it was an impulse. That's why I'm now trust more the algorithmic indicators because they don't have any motion, and I'm just better wait the confirmation to take profit from the sales on 12 time frame for the swing trades than just buy now. Because if you want to buy now, you should be ready to dump even with a cycle leverage 12%. So I'm better reduce the risk and do nothing, especially on Sunday. All right, take profit. Honestly, guys, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the buy line on the 12 time frame like 96 cents. I don't think so. Daily time frame, more or less, yes, we can dump to $1.12. But I'm not sure. Just to be honest, I'm not sure. No, I'm gonna try to open futures at $1.33, $1.29. So this is my zone for the futures with a stop loss under $1.21. So this is my target. A 4 time frame, guys. Also, this is like impulse, and this is just a basic correction. And a lot of signals showing us, so we have to drop to $1.33. Next one, direction ADZ. On direction, final and 4 time frame, some type of signals of accumulation. The last time it was here before the pump. 12 time frame, no signal of accumulation. Daily time frame, no signal of accumulation. The worst case, if we're gonna form the divergence, something like this one, for example, from that low, and form the big divergence on daily. I don't think so. We're gonna form that, but it's possible. It's possible, guys. And the last indicator, it's market mood. Money power, I showed you. Market mood, it's 12 time frame disbelief. So usually it's okay. Time step by step accumulated. Daily, it's optimism. That's why I'm gonna wait to the let's add alert for disbelief. This one, disbelief on daily. I wait to this one, a blue color. I need to some depression on the chart for reversal move. Or for me, when we in optimism for swing trades, it's not the reason for a long. So I'm better wait at the disbelief. Guys, all targets I showed you. Write please in the comment below. Think about a local setup for the dot. If you like to trade with my custom market set, what I showed you in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.